Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a Aston Martin DB11. Basically the customer loves the vehicle, but this vehicle never actually came with the CarPlay specification that the customer craves. Our engineers were able to retrofit and install a kit in this vehicle, which I'll show you, and how it operates in the vehicle, because it's actually pretty seamless. Okay, so we're now getting in the vehicle. As you can see, it's such a lovely vehicle inside these. Obviously, typical Aston Martin build quality, fantastic leather everywhere. So what I'll do is I'll show you this system in operation and talk you through how you could do this in your vehicle if needed. Okay, so we're now inside the vehicle. As you can see, it's such a lovely vehicle inside here. And as you can see, it's got virtual clocks, obviously your steering wheel controls. We're obviously at the moment listening to DAB digital radio. Now what we can do with this is, if we press this button here, we can switch over onto the CarPlay. So at the moment it's connected to this phone here, and as you can see, it's not plugged in. So this actually will work Apple CarPlay wirelessly. This will then allow us to control through the system, as you can see. So I could play my music and then go into my music and play that through the system. Works absolutely fantastic. So for further information on upgrading your vehicle to add CarPlay, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.